What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I am going to be unboxing the latest M5 powered 14-inch MacBook Pro. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when I upload any of my new videos. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing for these MacBook models. So this is the only current MacBook that you're able to purchase that comes with the M5 chip. Now the model that I'll be unboxing in today's video is the entry model, which comes with a 10-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, 16GB of unified memory, along with 512GB of SSD storage. It's available in a range of two different colours, that being silver and space black. Now over here in the United Kingdom, you'll find that this will set you back £1,599, and the pricing structure is basically identical if you are in the United States, with it starting off at $1,599. And of course you are able to customize your MacBook, so if you wanted a nano texture display or up to 32GB of unified memory, along with 4TB of SSD based storage and a 96W USB-C power adapter. Over in the United States, that'll set you back $3,369, whereas if you are here in the United Kingdom, then that will set you back £3,428. And as you'll come to see, this MacBook Pro over here in Europe is missing something in the box. But hey, that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and actually see what comes included. Spoiler alert, there's not much. On the rear of the box you will find two pull tabs, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now pulling away at these and lifting the lid reveals the MacBook Pro sat atop, and as you can probably guess, I have elected to go for the silver coloured MacBook Pro. But hey, placing that to a side, we get our first look at what items come included with this MacBook Pro. Now the first of these is our USB-C to MagSafe 3 power cable. Now this power cable is what you will need in order to fast charge this MacBook Pro if you have elected to go for one with a 96W power adapter. It has an approximate length of around 2 meters, and it will be color matched to the color of the MacBook that you choose. So if you do go for that space black MacBook Pro, then don't be surprised to see that black colored MagSafe cable in the box. And rather shockingly, the last item included with this MacBook Pro is just the documentation. And within this you'll find your standard user manual, which gives you a basic overview of what the port situation is on this MacBook Pro, which I'm sure you're already aware of before purchasing, but nevertheless you do get that included. Also included is some health and safety and regulatory information, along with further details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty. So as you've probably guessed from this video, the most shocking thing about this unboxing is the fact that with these new MacBook models, at least here in Europe, more so in the United Kingdom, you do not get a power adapter included in the box. So if you do need a power adapter, then you'll need to go to Apple's configurator and part ways with an additional £59, and that's not even going to get you fast charging. If you want to be able to fast charge, then you'll need to part ways with an additional £20 to opt for the 96W power adapter. But hey, that's enough talking about that. Let's take a look at the MacBook Pro. We'll soon be uploading a number of videos showcasing what it was like to play a handful of games on this MacBook Pro, and if you'd like to see this MacBook Pro compared to other MacBook models, be it those that had the Intel chips, or if it's the M1, M2, M3 or M4 generation of MacBooks, then be sure to let me know down below by leaving a comment. Make sure you go and follow me over on X and Instagram. I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.